In addition to just creating images, DALL-E 2 also comes with some nice editing features. These are often referred to as inpainting and outpainting. Let's get started with inpainting, which actually means editing images. For this, I add a second prompt, a cute dog sitting on a chair. So here we have our 4 dog images, and I'll just take this one here maybe. And now I want to edit this image by selecting the corresponding option. This now opens this editing menu, and in here we see the so-called generation frame, which has the same pixels that we saw from all images saved in DALL-E 2. The generation frame is the area where we can interact with our image, but also the area that DALL-E 2 uses to analyze any existing image that we have. This will become important in the next lecture when we dive into outpainting. For the moment, when we just added the image, we can't just keep this generation frame where it is, because we would have this select tool here that would allow us to move this frame. But as I said, we'll keep it where it is, and now simply add this eraser tool. Now I will erase this cute little dog, like this. And now we see that by editing the image, the initial prompt was automatically added. Because we shouldn't add something like add a cat, for example, instead, if we want to replace the dog with a cat, we just use the initial prompt and here adjust or edit this prompt according to our needs. So here I want to have a cute cat sitting on a chair. When generating this image now, DALL-E 2 should only replace the erased parts in this image. The remaining part, so the chair and the background, should remain unchanged. And this actually worked quite well. The cats don't look too perfect, although this one here looks okay. This looks also right, looks also good. This one looks a bit strange, but still, as you see, we were able to edit parts of the image by selecting or erasing these parts and by then adjusting our initial prompt. Once again, you could now download these images or save it as a collection, or instead simply check these images here in your recently created images. There you can now go to this newly created one, select this menu, and for example, edit this image as we saw it before with this generation frame. Or alternatively, you can of course also create variations for this specific image once again. Now we got 4 additional images. This time the entire look and composition of the image changed a bit though, because we didn't edit the image, we created variations. So we changed many details of the initial image, so to say. So this is the concept of inpainting or of editing images. Now we'll have a look at outpainting.